All right. Testing the ramp out. Wait, don't bust it. I don't know, I need something to guide me. Yeah, definitely. And I want to get out the way. Same thing I did. We need to get rid of this. Go ahead, buddy. It's surviving so far. Oh. Little. That killed it?
Oh, it's still good.
Oh!
Like doesn't.
Oh, you shouldn't have to be scared of me. I was trying to. Oh, look at that! It just popped on his feet. My Xmaxx or Revo.
Back.
That was a nosedive. Are we? Oh, it's done, so.
It's done, right?
Yeah, you can't. Well, you could jump it. Seriously, you can jump it. The Revo can't hit it no more, though. Look at him. Get. I was recording too. That was cool. Yo. We gotta retire this little ramp after its first use, but it gave us a few good ones.
Yeah.
Who cares? I was trying to do a flyby and I almost took out my foot at 50. Dudes and dudettes, be careful when you're doing your little flybys. You could break a leg. Oh, that was cool. Like that. You see how far I flew? Here, maybe I can bump you. Do you mind?
No, go ahead. Oh. Oh.
That was pretty cool. All right, you're gonna follow me?
Yeah.
Oh, made it out of there. I can't believe nothing's broke on that one. I just ran over a firefly. Sorry. I seen him. He's like, pfft.
What?
You gonna jump behind me?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Oh, that hurt. That hurt me just seeing it. Yeah.
No.
UDR time. Oh, just a screw came loose, that's all. But I'm gonna need another A-arm. Oh, that's all right.
What happened?
Nothing, just the screw came loose. I got the UDR. Gonna send the UDR. Oh my goodness! You ready? Some mayhem there. Here we go. Where'd I land? Okay.